Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. That I do something a little different again. I'm going to be making something called peanut butter bread. I saw it on a YouTube channel here, B. Dylan Hollis. It was a random short I just watched one day and I was like, wow, that looks good. So I looked up his channel, found the video, got his recipe. So we're going to go ahead and make it. I figured, why not? It looked good. I love peanut butter. Loved it since I was a kid. And yeah, plus I'm doing something a little different, kind of break the monotony a little bit. So let's get to it. Alright, so don't worry, I'm going to put the whole recipe in the description. So I got 2 cups of flour here, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Which things get a little low, but there we go. Alright. Mix the salt and powder into the flour. Now it's going to require a cup of peanut butter. It was just a half cup measuring cup, but I'll do the other. So 1 cup. Alright. I'll do the other cup. Alright, so I'm preheating the oven at 350. And one of the things the recipe said to do was to get in here with our hands and start mixing this into the flour. I didn't wear half of it. So you basically want to mix this until it's almost a crumbly. It actually came together pretty quick. So it should look like that. It's all incorporated. Okay. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. Okay, so 3/4 of a cup of sugar. It also calls for 1 cup of applesauce, which I thought was a little strange, but hey. He said it was good. Actually, that may not be. It's kind of a heaping cup, so. One egg. And half a cup of milk. Okay. It looks fuzzy in the view screen. I'm hoping it's just me. We're gonna Stir the wet ingredients together. And I need one more thing. So the final ingredient was half a teaspoon of baking soda. It literally said, put it in, add the wet, stir it all together, and you're done. Oven is preheated. Mixture is done. So I'm going to spray a pan and then dust it in flour. Keep it up so it won't stick. So just kind of work it around. And I'll just dump off the extra. So there's my pan. Get my mixture in here. Make sure it's nice and level. Good to the last drop. Alright, so 350 degree oven for 1 hour, 10 minutes. But I'm going to check it after an hour. Alright, it's been an hour, so let's see if it's done. Make sure I don't hit the... Man, it smells amazing in here. It smells really good. Oh, look at that. Seems to be poking clean. Get that sucker out. Yeah, look at that. That looks really good, and it smells just incredible in here. So 1 hour, 350. I'm gonna have to let that cool down before I can take a bite. But oh man, my whole place smells like peanut butter. All right, it's actually been a while. I've been letting it cool down. Let's get a knife and try this sucker. Oh wow. Look at the nice cross section. It's really good. Let's taste it. Alright. Man, it's such good smelling bread. Wow. Okay, this is pretty awesome. I'm not even kidding. Well, that's good. Well, I gotta say that's really good bread. Really good. I thought it was really sweet because I didn't use sweetened applesauce. I don't really taste the apples, but the apples I think added a little moisture. This makes it really nice and moist. Yeah, this will be probably made. This will be made again for sure because it's just freaking delicious. I didn't even put anything on it. I didn't put any butter on it or anything. Just, you know, cut it straight. But this is awesome. Oh man. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put the recipe down in the description. Give this a try. It's phenomenal. I'll catch you in the next one.